Body of 23-year-old woman found days after suspected drowning in St. Elizabeth. 56-year-old St. Mary man booked for sexual assault, rape of 12-year-old girl. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police are probing a suspected case of drowning involving a woman whose body was found on Thursday in a river 4 days after she was reported missing in Shallow, St. Elizabeth. Police named the woman as Kashiba Brown, 23, otherwise called Cash, a resident of Shallow District in North St. Elizabeth. A St. Mary man has been charged with unlawful detention with the intention to have sexual intercourse and rape following an incident in Barracks River, Richmond, in the parish on Friday, August 4th. Charged is 56-year-old Trevor Michelin, otherwise called Indian, of Old Road, Barracks River in Richmond, St. Mary. Reports are that a 12-year-old child went to Michelin's house about 4 p.m. to collect items when she was locked inside the house and sexually assaulted. Following the assault, Michelin allegedly locked the child inside the room. The girl, however, managed to escape and made a report to the police. Michelin was subsequently arrested. He was charged on Wednesday, September 6, after being pointed out during an identification parade. His court date is being finalized.